Hey Sam. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. Excited for our lesson. What's the word for today?
Today, we're learning the word,
Bein,
which means,
leg,
Oh, cool. I didn't know it had just that meaning. Are there other meanings?
yes, there are a few. Besides,
leg, Bein,
can also mean,
Bohne,
in some contexts, especially in phrases related to anatomy. The most common usage is definitely for.
leg,
Just be careful because in English,
Bein,
can be a false friend.
Got it. So, how do I use
Bein,
in sentences?
Good question.
Bein,
Is a neuter noun, so you say.
das Bein,
For the singular form. The plural is.
die Beine,
die Beine,
Means.
the legs.
Exactly. Now, let's look at some conjugations. Since
Bein,
is a noun, we don't have verb conjugations here, but I can give you example sentences. For instance,
mein Bein tut weh,
means,
my leg hurts,
Oh, I see. What about past tense?
well, since it's a noun, we don't have a past tense, but if we were talking about an action like,
to break,
which is,
brechen,
we could say,
ich habe mein Bein gebrochen,
meaning,
I broke my leg.
Interesting. What about the origin of the word?
Bein,
great question.
Bein,
Comes from the old High German word,
Bein,
which also meant.
leg,
Over time, the meaning has remained quite consistent.
That's fascinating. I love how words evolve.
Yes, it is. Now let's break down the word.
Bein,
Can't be split into smaller parts like a compound word, but we can think of it as a single Lego piece that stands well on its own.
Makes sense.
Now, let's explore some similar words. There are words that share the same root. For example,
Beinstütze,
means.
leg support,
The prefix,
Bein,
means,
leg,
and the suffix,
Stütze,
means.
support.
So it's like a compound word.
Exactly. Here are a few more.
Beinbruch,
which means
broken leg. Beinmuskulatur,
means,
leg muscle.
and
Beinwarze,
means.
Liegwart.
Those are helpful. Any words with different prefixes but similar themes?
Yes. For example,
Abnehmen,
means,
to lose weight.
where means,
Auf. Aufstehen,
meaning,
to get up.
where,
Auf.
means.
I see how those prefixes work now.
Also, similar suffixes can include, like in,
Bewegung,
meaning.
movement.
That's a lot of new vocabulary.
It is, but it's useful. Now let's practice using
Bein,
in real-life situations. For example, if you're at the doctor, you might say,
mein Bein ist verletzt.
meaning,
My leg is injured.
Got it.
Mein Bein ist verletzt.
perfect. Another situation could be at a sports event. You could say,
Ich habe mir das Bein verstaucht.
meaning,
I sprained my leg.
I think I can say that.
Ich habe mir das Bein verstaucht.
exactly. One more situation could be while traveling. You might say,
Ich brauche einen Arzt für mein Bein.
meaning,
I need a doctor for my leg.
That's useful.
Ich brauche einen Arzt für mein Bein.
very good. Now, let's talk about the gender of.
Bein,
Remember, it's neuter because it ends in, which is typical for neuter nouns in German.
That helps. Any memory tricks?
You could picture a leg wearing a neutral color, like beige. It's a fun visual to remember.
I'll definitely remember that.
For usage notes,
Bein,
is generally informal. You might hear it in phrases like,
Beine hochlegen.
meaning,
To put your legs up. Beine trainieren.
meaning,
To train your legs.
just remember it's not the same as,
Beinbruch.
which is quite serious.
I'll watch out for that.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What is the plural form of?
Bein,
Die Beine.
Correct. What does?
mein Bein tut weh.
Mean.
My leg hurts.
Great. How do you say?
I broke my leg.
In German.
Ich habe mein Bein gebrochen.
Perfect. How do we describe?
Leg support.
In German.
Beinstütze.
Excellent. And what's the gender of?
Bein.
It's neuter.
Fantastic job, Sam. To summarize, we learned that
Bein.
means
Leg.
it's a neuter noun, and we can use it in many contexts.
Thanks, Alex. I feel much more confident with this word now.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and I can't wait to see you use
Bein.
in real conversations.